Rhyme, moral, sing and learn today. A, B, C, and good habits, hip, hip, hooray. Let's start!
Let's plant a tiny seed and watch it grow.
Dig a little hole deep and brown, plant a little seed in the ground. Pat the earth smooth and flat, sleep little seed, just like that. Grow little seed, grow, grow, grow. Reach for the sky, slow, slow, slow. Green leaves popping out to say hello. Grow little seed, grow, grow, grow. Pitter-patter rain falling from the sky. Drink the water, don't be dry. Drip, drop, splash on the garden bed. Wake up, little seed, lift your head. Grow, little seed, grow, grow, grow. Reach for the sky, slow, slow, slow. Green leaves popping out to say hello. Grow, little seed, grow, grow,
I can't believe how big it got.
Make a big circle with arms for the sun. Here comes the sun, big and yellow, saying good morning to the little fellow. Warm and bright, shining down, turning the green into a golden crown. Open up your petals, red and blue. Look at what the sun and rain can do. Dancing in the wind, happy and free. The prettiest flower we ever did see. Tempo slows down gently. You started as a seed, tiny and small. Now you are a flower standing tall.